Welcome to Werks. Today's video will be a quick look at a few 3D models that I printed. These models were created by others on Thingaverse, Thangs, and Cults. Alfred Hitchcock was designed by Sandpiper. Walter White was designed by Geoffro. Nikola Tesla was designed by Mushogenshin. Elon Musk was designed by Tutus. Bernie Sanders was designed by ChaosCoreTech. The print was from 4 hours up to 12 hours long. It was fun watching these prints, and there were very few flaws, mostly layers and a little stringing. I did use PLA for the prints. If you want any information on the prints, please add a comment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.